Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and this is a silver FN2. As you can see, it's got some modifications that we will list momentarily, but first up is stock power run to see what she's putting out. We've done health checks this morning already, found an exhaust leak, rectified that, so now it's about tuning. So what we're going to do is stock power run, as we always do, then flash the stock ECU with an Ecutek license. That's the software that we use to map these. At that point we can data log and start tuning. So silver FN2 in the house, let's do it. Well, silver FN2, and it's got some mods. Let's list them. It's got a J35 throttle body, an RRC inlet manifold, a Skunk 2 induction kit, a 4:1 Jap speed manifold, and it's also got a Cobra twin exit 2.5 inch.
Am I late?
You're late, mate. Yeah, I know we're busy, so I thought I'd crack on.
Yeah.
So yeah, but it mapped up pretty well. We've made power in the mid-range, made power at peak. It's just been a delight this one to do.
Yeah, it has made power everywhere. I think the only thing I could probably criticise on is the exhaust.
Yeah, the Cobra twin exit obviously is not going to compete against the Tegua 70mm exhaust system.
No, I think this car would have made 240 this morning with the Tegua 70mm.
I think so.
On it, for sure.
And then next up, perhaps some cams and some injectors after that exhaust.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is, but he's a lovely little thing. Yeah, so another one in the bag. Well done, Richard. We've been very busy this morning already, haven't we?
Yeah, it's just busy morning. I think everyone's turned up in one go this morning. It's the whole day's worth of work, but everyone turned up early or at 9 AM.
And sometimes, you know, sometimes customers want to hang around in the office and watch what's going on. That's fine if they're in there, they're safe. And sometimes they wander off, and but today we had about 8 people here, didn't we?
We did at one point, yeah. It
like
seemed to be pretty chaotic.
The cool thing is they're all into cars and they're all talking amongst themselves. So that's really,
and it's not
really
raining,
nice.
so they can go outside.
Yeah, grab a coffee from somewhere and come back. But yeah, another one in the bag. So check out the graph.
Yeah, let's have a look at the graph.
Let's do it.
Looks pretty good.
Well, there we go. Red line is as she came in and blue line is as she leaves. Plenty of power in the mid-range and making power at peak as well. And we finish on 236 brake horsepower, which is 202 at the wheels. Not bad at all. So, code word for this video, J35. Thanks for sticking around. I hope today is the day that we earn your subscription. Everyone's very, very busy, so I shall be saying goodbye on my own. So, goodbye.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.